The Night and Day Murphy Cube cabinet bed stands out as a clever way to turn a compact cabinet into a comfortable guest bed in well under a minute, making it ideal for small homes or multi-purpose rooms. Its solid hardwood build and carefully applied finish give it a sturdy, long-lasting feel that also looks like a quality piece of furniture rather than temporary bedding. When folded, the cabinet occupies only about 10 square feet of floor space, so it fits neatly against a wall without dominating a living room, office, or studio. The included tri-fold gel memory foam mattress offers noticeably better support and cooling than typical sofa bed cushions, so guests are more likely to wake up rested instead of stiff. Because the unit does not require wall mounting and can be moved as a single cabinet, it offers flexible placement for renters or anyone who likes to rearrange their space. It arrives flat-packed with straightforward instructions and video guidance. And once assembled, the smooth opening mechanism makes converting between cabinet and bed surprisingly easy.